it's Kitty Cat Girl P05 here, and I'm playing some Minecraft, episode 2, I'm pretty sure, of my Sprout series, so really hope you like it. Well, you were gone from the last episode that wasn't as good as this. Now, I just got some wood after and some melons when I wasn't recording because it was so laggy and I couldn't do anything. So, oh, jeez, that was loud. So, I am just, jeez, laggy again. I just have to wait for this to load for a second, and also got a pet wherever he is. It was a little bird, and on my first video I was asking you if I should build a treehouse or something else, and so what should I name my my birdie? I'm thinking either Jeff or Lulu. There he is, or she is. Jeez, you're loud. Well, maybe it's just because I can't turn down my volume, but so yeah, so that's my bird. It's nighttime, so I'm just going to, I'm gonna try to just, again, lag. Sorry about the gameplay, it's so laggy. I'm just gonna wait here for a second. I hear a cow. I don't know if, like, the Minecraft noises are working for this, actually, I'm not sure, but hello cow, you are loud, and I can't even. Does Polly want a cracker? So I'm gonna try to find a different biome. I think we might be getting into one, I'm not sure. Be quiet, bird. So, yeah, so, I keep on saying so like 15,000 times. Are we in a new biome? Or no? Or is this so laggy that I can't even... Well, I'm gonna find a better biome. Hello, birdie. I know you're there. I know you exist. Jeez, this...
How's it going?
By the way, that's my brother. You can obviously hear him. Yeah, I think I found an escape. I think. These pigs are so freaking loud.
Nothing.
Okay. Jeez Louise. But this is like super good. Like headphones at least. You wouldn't think that a $10 headset would be this good of a quality. Eh, who am I kidding? Tomorrow it's probably gonna break. So, jeez, stop it. My ears are definitely gonna hurt after, but, ocelot, oh darn it, I don't have any fish. How do I catch a fish? Will I get a fish if I kill a squid? Nah, I won't. Just get an insect. Oh, jeez, that... Whoa, that noise. I don't... That sounds way too realistic. Honestly, I don't know if you can even hear what I'm hearing, but it is nice quality. Oh, just shut up, bird. Why did I tame a bird in the first place? That bird is getting on my nerves. So, I'm going to try to find a nice place to build a house. I'm not going to build too big of a house. I think I might get some more wood, but... Oh my god! Well, that's fine because I'm unpeaceful. I don't care that I just fell. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get up on this tree so I can see the land. Jeez, I keep falling. Wonder if I could ride a bird. Yeah, I can't. That'd be cool if I could, though. Okay. Oh, could you please just be quiet, bird? Okay. Jeez Louise. Woo! I think I'm on the tree now. Nope, no. And now I'm on... Ooh, I got a jungle sapling. Sapling. Not a sapling. A sapling. Wood. That sounds kind of like a drum roll, like... I don't know. But... Wow, I'm definitely gonna have an earache after this. Making sure I have lots of wood, because I need lots of wood. Could you just be quiet, birdie? Thank you. Jeez Louise. This is killing me. Okay. Oh my goodness, bird. Okay. Yep. 3 stacks and 30. Oh, I want to get that kitty, but I don't have... Hello, kitty. I know I can't say anything. I know you're gonna run away from me, but I need to go over here. Oh, jeez Louise, little bird. Could you just be quiet? Let's see if I can turn the sound down somehow. Yep, I can. I already turned my... Oh, jeez, this is so laggy. So, I think this is where I'm going to end the episode for today. So, if you guys liked it, bye!